Welcome back to Builders Highway. My name is Eric Cederberg. We're here again with another part of this amazing collection of cars we have for sale on our site right now. This is a 1963 Volvo P1800 S. No doubt the most beautiful car ever to come from Sweden. So this car has been restored with a fantastic attention to detail, and the exterior, interior is absolutely immaculate. And it really deserves it because the interior of this car, design-wise, is fantastic and looks just as good as the exterior. And one of the great things about the Volvo P1800s is just like a Volvo 240 or 140, they're great driver's cars. Just turn the key, start them up, and drive as far as you want, which, as always, we hope the clients and the buyers of the cars really get a chance to do.